Hey guys, this is Market Update. I think it's a good time to look forward over the next 5 years or so and what's going to happen with Bitcoin. If you're still here, you're a proper investor with Bitcoin, right? This is where the returns come and the least amount of people actually buy or trade. That's just the way it works, right? If you want to outperform, then you have to do things that everyone else isn't doing. When the price is low, that's when people aren't buying. And you're going to get the most returns there. What are the returns going to be? Look, Bitcoin's going to go up again. The fact is, if you have money, if you're a hedge fund or a family office or anything else, you have to be going into the SpaceX IPO and these other IPOs. You have to. It's not a choice. Your job is to index the market. You have to get an allocation there. It's massively oversubscribed. So everyone's just going to be taking every last bit of cash that they have and trying to get an allocation. You might get 10%, 20%, whatever it is of what you actually subscribe. But you're not going to get the whole thing, but you have to put way more in than you actually want because you know you're going to get a small allocation. And that means there's no money for Bitcoin right now. So what? So what? That's investing, right? Actual, real, like investing in markets. No, nothing goes up at like 10 basis points a day, right? It's not the way it works. Bitcoin is at oversold levels here, similar to this bear market. In this bear market, we're trading at 20,000 at this level. Now we're trading at 60,000 3 years later at this same level. It's so obvious. It's unbelievable, actually. It's like it's so slap you around the face obvious what's happening here. It's kind of crazy. But the one thing people don't have is patience, dedication, etc. And that's going to make you part of the 1% over time. So the next 5 years, if we get any sort of bull market for Bitcoin, then you're going to go up to the top of this range again. Maybe we don't go up to these levels, maybe we do. But when you're buying a 200-week moving average, at any point in the next few years or so, you're looking at a 200-300% move here. Now, the Nasdaq's not going to go up 200 to 300% in the next 5 years, is it? So you've still got a massively potential outperforming asset here, right? And what, you can stay down here for 3 months, 6 months. Who cares? Actually, that's the opportunity. I genuinely, as a Bitcoin buyer, as a genuine investor who is looking long-term, want it to stay as low as possible for as long as possible, right? Because this is where you make the money. You've got an asset that's going to go 200 to 300% here potentially in a bull market. And if it doesn't, it just rides up, right? At this 200-week moving average, we can see what's happening here. 5 years ago, the 200-week moving average was 15K. Now it's 60K. It's pretty obvious. So it's kind of ironic that the price goes down and everyone doesn't get interested, but that is actually when you make the most money. It's kind of strange. But of course, look, everyone's money has to try and get an allocation in the SpaceX IPO, etc. If you do the same thing as everyone else, are you going to get outsized returns, right? It's just one of those things. If you trade Bitcoin, crypto, I think you can trade the SpaceX IPO as well on Bybit as well. You can trade everything on Bybit. Link in the description. If you click that, make an account, make a deposit. They'll give you a deposit bonus to trade with up to $30,000. I know we always look at lines and squiggles and children's drawings. It's what we have to do. We need the visuals, right? This is from Adam Livingston here. I'm not saying his is a children's drawing, but this is a 200-week moving average, right? And you can just see this is the most unbelievable time to buy Bitcoin. When it is near its 200-week, you are getting the best returns. This is the best time to buy Bitcoin when the fewest people buy it. You're part of a 1%, 2% of people that's going to be here actually buying and actually making those fantastic returns. You beat people by being better, by making the right decisions, by not being a consumer, by not getting excited when the price is up here. Look at real consumer behavior that happens with short-term mindset people that don't know what they're doing. In yellow here, right? They buy the top and they capitulate into the bottom. They buy the top, they capitulate into the bottom. It's unbelievable. These are short-termers, right? 6 to 12 months. They realize their loss. Unbelievable behavior. Over and over and over again. Human behavior never changes. It's unbelievable. You cannot change it. But once you know, you can take advantage. When everyone's buying, when everyone's selling, unbelievable, right? And the short-term nature just goes on and on and on. Nothing will change. But if you just have a long-term mindset, you're going to outperform. If you're buying here, this is it. This is it here. The best opportunity. I sincerely hope we stay here for a very long time, as long as possible, because this is where the returns come. And I get it. SpaceX IPO, you have to get some, this and that. Over time, Nasdaq index, Bitcoin, you're going to make a load of money, right? But the Nasdaq index is outperforming and Bitcoin is underperforming. It's a fantastic time to buy Bitcoin as everyone capitulates and goes into everything else. This is it, right? Bitcoin bear market cycle lows. Unbelievable. This is an unbelievable success that we're seeing. Now, of course, we may go lower, right? Things that happen, but look what's happening, right? The Iran war is coming to an end. Inflation expectations are going to come way down. The Fed chair, Kevin Walsh, going to look through that. Cut interest rates or not, it doesn't matter. Just keep them here. It doesn't matter. It actually doesn't matter what interest rates are. It matters what interest rates are in relation to actual economic growth, etc., which is going to be fine. Everything's fine. Bitcoin's in a bear market. It's a great, great opportunity. It's an unbelievable opportunity at this price. And I hope we go lower. I hope we stay here, because all of my best returns have always come during these periods. And then in a few years' time, everyone says, wow, what's the secret? Secret is hard work, dedication, and focus. Nothing else. That's life, right? If you do trade Bitcoin, crypto, SpaceX IPO, everything else, you can trade on Bybit. Link in the description. Sign up, make a deposit. They'll give you a deposit balance to trade with. I'm James, this is MoneyZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.